Hello guys, welcome to Vikram Tech Talk. Today we are going to unboxing and review the Honeywell new launch 5-in-1 Type-C docking station with 4K HDMI port, 3x USB 3.0 port, and Type-C 3.0 PD100W. For all Type-C devices, Windows MacBook on the go. Features: USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C connector cable. Equipped with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C connector cable providing versatility for all your connectivity needs. Ultra HD 4K performance. HDMI port enabling you to extend your device's screen to a TV, monitor, or projector, supporting up to 4K UHD resolution for clear and vibrant visuals. USB 3.0 ports with 5 Gbps transfer speed. Equipped with 3 USB 3.0 ports, each capable of high-speed data, transfers up to 5 Gbps, ensuring you can move large files and connect multiple devices effortlessly. Type-C PD 3.0. Type-C PD 3.0 with 100W PD output for ultra-fast charging and reliable power transfer for all your essential devices. OTG on-the-go feature. The OTG on-the-go feature enables Type-C devices like smartphones to connect directly to USB peripherals like keyboards, mice, and storage drives. Review: it's been a reliable tool for multitasking between devices during work. The build is sturdy, the cable is strong, and it doesn't overheat. A smart investment for anyone managing multiple peripherals with a Type-C laptop. Works smoothly, good quality material, worth buying this brand. However, note that if you use the HDMI ports on this extender, it slows down your PC. This has nothing to do with this product. This is generally how PC works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next video.